Heather, let's talk about heavy use area protection. Why is it important for farmers to protect the area immediately around their watering facilities?
Watering facilities automatically create areas that will get a lot of hoof traffic and will quickly become eroded or muddy. Installing a surface of gravel or concrete around the watering facility will prevent that from happening. Of course, this should be the last thing that you do. It's the final part of livestock watering facilities installation. You can use either concrete or gravel to protect the area around your watering facilities. Concrete will require less maintenance than gravel. A gravel heavy use area will require you to install non-woven geotextile first as a base. You never want to use both concrete and gravel. The reason being, if you install gravel on top of concrete, it will injure animal hooves. The size of the heavy use area depends on which species of animals will be using the watering facility area. Cattle typically need a heavy use area extending 10 feet in every direction from the edge of the tank or trough. For a gravel heavy use area, you'll want to prepare a solid foundation. Any soft or mucky material should be removed and replaced with compacted earth. The compacted earth surface will need to be uniform and smooth before you install the non-woven geotextile. Non-woven geotextile is commonly called filter fabric, and filter fabric should be installed in an excavation 6 inches below the finished grade. You'll need to excavate a trench approximately a foot deep at the edge of the watering facility pad so that you can bury the filter fabric to keep it from rolling up. You should also overlap any joints in the non-woven geotextile according to the manufacturer's instructions. For gravel installations, be sure you choose an aggregate of a size that won't injure your animal's hooves. You'll want the heavy use area to last as long as it possibly can, and that means from time to time you'll need to go back and recap it with gravel. You may decide to construct your heavy use area out of concrete. If you do, be sure to use a concrete that's 3,000 psi or better, and be sure your installation is at least 4 inches thick. You can check with your local NRCS office for requirements for reinforcement as well as the requirements for contraction and expansion joints.
sc.nrcs.usda.gov is your source for conservation standards. Click on EFOTG and select NRCS standard number 561 for heavy use area protection.